What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be installing a drain plug on my Bass Raider 10E. So first things first, I'm going to put the drain plug right here in this low area, because I'll have my trolling motors up there in the front, and then I'll have my battery back here to kind of counterbalance the weight. So what I got here, I got this thing, which will drill a hole in there, and then you screw it onto the bottom, which, well, because water always gets up in here when it rains, and sometimes on windy days when it's real windy and there's a lot of waves, then it'll splash up into the boat and it'll get all wet once you got like 6 inches. So, and then we're gonna use this, which fits in here. That fits in there. And so yeah, let's get started. So I got this hole saw right here. We're gonna basically just drill right into there. All right, so I'm just gonna leave that mud in there because it's not gonna hurt anything. We're just gonna drill right into there. I gotta tighten down this right here. Okay, so that started it a little bit. And that went, wow, all the way through. So I can see the bottom right now through that hole. I gotta get this off of here. There we go. Alright, well that worked nice and easy. Do that to kind of clear up the hole a little bit. And yeah, that's all. Now, to do this, you'll just unscrew it. You just pop it in there, just like that. See, it fixed perfectly. And then you'll just, I got a sealer that I'll use. And yeah, let's get right into that. Alright everyone, so I got this rubber pad. It's from a gasket kit from Ace. Shout out to Ace because they got real good customer service. Like, I couldn't find this. I looked through the whole store and the guy just showed it to me automatically. So I'm gonna take my knife from my multi-tool from Walmart, and I'm gonna trace this and trace the inside, and we'll cut it out, and we'll do that twice to make it nice and waterproof. And the knife is kind of just gonna make a mark, and then we'll cut it out with the scissors. Okay, so that's good for the outside. We kind of just need a rough shape because it doesn't need to be perfect. You go out on the outside, or the inside, excuse me. And there we go, that's one of the holes. And now we're going to do the other one and cut them out. Okay, so now we got the 2 gaskets cut out, and where is it? As you can see, fits right onto there, like that. And then we'll put it, you just put it on there good, nice and tight. And then we'll put it through this hole, and then on the other side put the other gasket on and screw it on. But that white space right here in the middle will be the boat. All right, so now we're gonna put this in that hole so we can secure it down, and then we'll have our drain plug. So we're gonna slide that right in there. Now I might trim the sides because it's not one to go in there. I'm gonna trim the sides of that gasket real quick. Just do it on camera.
I'll just have it so that right in the line. Because this thing's already pretty tight. And then with this gasket, we'll keep it tighter. So yeah, once you do this, you won't have any problems with water getting in, because when it does, we'll have this
to just empty it out. Alright, that should work good. Yeah, there we go. That fit in there nice and good. And now, basically, this will go right in here. I'll just pop in there, and then you'll do this, and so it'll be nice and, see, that ain't coming out. So, we'll be all good. So, now I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna take you guys up from up here down to the bottom, and we'll put this in there. So as you can see right here, we got the drain plug, and first I'm gonna set this gasket up on there. And we'll probably chop this off, the access of this white pipe off. And then we'll just take this. And screw it on there. Screw it on there nice and tight. I can't screw it on anymore. So it's nice and tight on there. So now, sealed up good, and water ain't gonna get up through here. And even with that hole there, honestly I could leave it. I don't even need that drain plug, because as you can see, I'll just put that in there like that, close it down. Now it's watertight. So yeah, so that's the drain plug. Now we're gonna show some clips of it out on the water. Cruising with my trolling motor, and I'm just at the top speed right now. We're moving pretty good, and I'll show you that drain plug is working real good. So as you can see, there's no water leaking at all, and if water gets in, it'll just drain. It kind of, you can see it more because I'm in the back, but usually it'll even out. What we're doing, so it seems to be working fine. All right, everyone, so it seemed to work pretty good, that drain plug. It didn't leak or anything, and ooh, that's cool. Deer track right there. But anyway, so that drain plug, it seemed to work pretty good. Once again, it's on my Pelican Bass Raider 10E. I got that trolling motor on it. It's pretty fun to go out on the lake and just fish around a little bit. So, that pretty much wraps up this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.